Hi guys, welcome to Tales and Tips Africa. My name is Jenny and it's great to have you here. So today guys, I want to show you how to get more boost credits when you run out of them on Microsoft Copilot. So I've read some comments of people complaining about limited boost credits per day on Microsoft Copilot, especially for free users. So Microsoft gives 15 boost credits per day. To get more boosts for your image generation after you've exhausted your boost credits, you have to do the following. First of all, I know you ask, what do you mean by boost credits, rewards, all that? So when you run out of boosts, you will not be able to generate any more images on Microsoft Copilot, or rather, image generation will take a little longer. So to do that, to get more, you have to go through bing.com or you go to Google. So now in this video, we'll go through Google. So I'm opening my Google Chrome. Let me maximize it so that you have a good view. So here, I'll type Microsoft Copilot. Okay, it's already showing here. You can see it, Microsoft Copilot AI. So I click on it. All right, see it here. So I click on the first one, Microsoft Copilot. All right, guys. So I want to show you what I mean by boost credit. Now you can do that in two ways. I can decide to go through here by asking Copilot to generate an image. Then after generating that image, below the image you see how many boost credits you have left. Or I can decide to see one of the images I've created before. Let me choose this one. Okay, so it's opening. So see what I mean by boost credit. So I have 10 left, you see. Okay, so if you still want to see it clearer, you can open designer below your photo, then you see it here. So I have 10 left. Now I want to go to reward space so I can redeem my rewards from Microsoft, and I can use it to generate more images. So now to do that, I have to go to Genevieve, that's my profile. Then you can see it says up here. Then you click on it. See, you have Microsoft Bing, sign out, Genevieve, my email address, then manage account. That's the one you click on. You click on manage account. All right. So here, this is the account section. Then we have to go down, scroll down till you see here where rewards. See where you have your rewards. So when you get here, you click on it. See, so you have the rewards page here. So here you see, hi Genevieve, I'm still in level 1. So you have here available points. So you ask, what do you mean by available points? So available points are the number of points you have available to use. So as you redeem points, your balance of available points will go down. So this determines the number of boost credits you get when you redeem. Then here you have auto redeem, you have today's point. Because I'm not using a Microsoft Edge to browse, so I don't have any points yet. Then you have in. So to in, you can use Microsoft Edge to browse. That's assuming you are logged in, you have a an account with them. Then you can use Bing search to search for whatever you want to search for. That also gives you boost credit, gives you points. Yeah. So you can either do those or you do this one. You have ways of earning here. They're all here. Then let's click on redeem. So this is where you come if you want to redeem your points. You can either click here or you click here to redeem your points. So these are things you can use your points to buy. You see, they are all available here for those that love games and all that. So you can redeem your points for them. Then you have status. So this is where you have lifetime points earned. So by this, they mean the accumulation of points you've earned as long as you've been a member of Microsoft Rewards. Then here you have 436 points until level 2 this month. So this means Microsoft has two status tiers. So you have the level 1 and you have the level 2. So you earn and keep level 2 status by reaching 500 Microsoft rewards points each month. So this means that I still have to earn 436 points this month to get to level 2. And yes, Microsoft rewards level resets every month. So here I have lifetime points redeemed. This means the points you have redeemed so far, which I've not redeemed anything because I still have some boost credits. So let's go up again. So since I have some boost credit, I cannot redeem points because it's still I still have about 10 of them. So I cannot redeem. But if yours is at 0, you can redeem. You can click on this and redeem your points. That's all I have to show you today. So please guys, I really need you guys to support my channel, encourage me, you know subscribe to my channel, like and share to your loved ones, and please guys, don't forget to comment. I need to know your thoughts. I need to know I'm not talking to myself, that I have an audience. Please comment. I need your comments. Then I also need I need you to subscribe. I really need that. Subscribe and like my channel, please. All right guys, take care of yourselves. Bye.